running help on dir. Then I started going through all my videos. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do something that I have never run across before. So this is why I absolutely love programming in Python. So alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do incremental videos. We are constantly learning. We're constantly developing. We're constantly sharing. So I'm working on this book that I talked about. So I'm going through and I'm laying out chapters and talking, and I realize that I say something that I've never said before. Running help on dir. Then I started going through all my videos and I realized that I've never tried it. Then I go and I search YouTube. Nobody's ever done it. So I'm here giving you instructions on how dir works, and then I give you more advanced on dir, and then here, string, let's just close it. But I've never run help on dir. So you can actually go and read everything that I'm saying, because I'm becoming more practiced in putting this into written. And so this was just something really, really cool. Cannot believe that I have not stumbled across this over all the years of me teaching, sharing, practicing, learning. So here's the documentation on dir. I honestly cannot believe that I have not run across it. So here we are. So wanted to share this. Super excited. Things are going even better than I've thought. Want to give a shout out. Have picked up my first Patreon, so that is very humbling. So I just want to tell you guys thank you. And most important, if you know anybody in this time trying to learn Python, and I'm going to try a video tomorrow that I've been seeing a lot on message boards. So I will cover that. We're going to do this together. We're all in this the same. This is your YouTube channel. You help guide the way that it needs to go. So, list of strings. Thought this was the coolest thing ever. Kind of embarrassed, but this is the journey that is learning Python. No matter how much you think you know, there's more to learn. So I love it. I love it. I love it. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.